Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you the best way to create a YouTube intro. Before we start, if you guys don't mind just hitting that like button, and if you're feeling nice, click subscribe and turn on bell notifications. I am going to be having an 1000 V-Buck giveaway that I'll talk about in my next video, so stay tuned for more. So now that we've gotten that out the way, since I've added my intro to my YouTube channel, I've had a few people ask me how to create a YouTube intro and what software I used, so I thought I'd help you guys out and make an easy video for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open panzoid.com through Google Chrome. Although I don't use Google Chrome much, Google will be the best platform to avoid glitches. So after you have Panzoid open on Google, you're going to want to hit that button in the left corner, which kind of looks like a gallery, and then you're going to want to click Creations. So if you guys don't know, Panzoid is a website where you can use pre-made templates and add in whatever you want in order to create intros and outros. So once you get to this creations page, you can look through creations by scrolling until you find one that catches your eye, or you can literally just go to the top and look at the topics that say trending, latest, top, or you can search for the exact one you already know you want. So right here is one that I like called Cool Blue 3D Insane Intro, and shout out to Micah Drummer for creating this, and you just click that. From there, you're going to click Open in Clipmaker. It might take a few seconds to load, but don't worry. So once your screen's loaded, you should see a screen that has these little icons. It should say New Project, Load Project, etc. And before you do anything, in order to make sure you don't mess up this right here, you're going to click this I button, and that will get rid of it for right now. From there, you're going to click this box with a check in it that stands for Basic Settings. After you get there, you're going to want to make sure your video resolution is at 1920 by 1080p. This is to make sure that you have the best quality for all devices. Any lower will give you really crappy quality, and any higher might be very bad for those who can't use 2K or 4K, like people who are on iPhones or people who are on tablets. So from there, you're going to want to click frame rate and make sure that's at 60. So you can just keep the length at whatever the length already is, because if you change that, it might mess up the video, and that will just make it easy for you. So from there, you're going to want to skip a column, and you're going to go down to Objects, which is this 3D looking box right there, and you're just going to want to click that. Once you get there, you're going to want to rename everything where you see text. Besides where you see group, you're going to want to rename that. So in order to rename, all you do is click it, and then right under 3D text, you just write whatever you want your intro to say. So for me, my name is 8pick, and that's obviously what I want my intro to say. So I'm going to type in 8pick, and then click enter. And then I see text right here, so I'm going to type in 8pick, and then enter. So after I finish this, you see all this stuff down here: font, size, detail, bevel, all this stuff down here, position, rotation, scale. You can leave that all alone. Because this video is for beginners, we won't touch any of that right here. We can leave that alone, and it'll pretty much work itself. From here, you're just going to press play to see if you like it. So from here, if you like the video, you're going to go over here to the download section, which is the third to last button in the left hand corner. If you didn't like it, sadly you're just going to have to go pick a new template. But assuming you did like it, you're going to go to the download your video button, and then you're going to go to mode, and you're going to make sure to change that to good quality. This will be a little bit slow, but it won't be as slow as its stream quality, which is like 10 minutes slow. You're just going to click good quality, and this will get you fairly good quality. You're also going to change format to WebM, and then you're going to press start video render. You're just going to let it load, and guys, I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Well guys, my clip just finished loading. So from here, you're going to click the download your video button. It's going to bring you to another page, and then a bar is going to pop up in the left hand corner. You're going to want to click that bar, and there's your video. The video is already saved to your downloads now, so now that you've done all the work, you can sit back and watch your video. And now you can add your video to YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section. And lastly, make sure to hit that like button on your way out. Alright guys, see you next time. Peace.